ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Menteri Ketenaga Secretariat Administration Department uba Renington Lingdo Tongkar haka shitarik ubanai rempang arajar arpuar ula Plie ba ya ke Secretariat Health Clinic ha mentru building jongka additional Secretariat building Shillong. Haba keren komukongsan haswa ban Plie ya ke klinik uba Tongkar uliathu baka jingbo ya ke ni ke jaka ajing sumar ha Secretariat kalong kum Bynta ke jing rakhe ya ke jingdap san postnem jong ke Jylla Meghalaya Bada ke jo kapor kan longru ke jingerap yakin Nongtrei badi ki officer haba ki don ha pedeng ke jingpang jing shitom ban yo jing sumar kerke hakapang ke shitom hagani ke snila sakhi langru de ke commissioner and secretary jong ketenat Secretariat Administration Department ke kong MN Nampui ke secretary ke kong VRSM bad ki wei de ki head officer.
It is indeed a great day, I consider, because it is the day to be remembered that we have started medical health clinic here in Mekhalaya Secretariat. Let me put one word by saying that we all know and we believe that health comes first of all things. Even though in Mekhalaya Secretariat the Department of SAD find difficulty to accommodate all the officers who need rooms, all the chairman, MLAs who need room in Mekhalaya Secretariat, but somehow the department had managed to get the facility to provide room for the health clinic here in Mekhalaya Secretariat. So this is a big thing, and I want to congratulate all the officers involved, all the staff involved here. I'm very happy that as we celebrate a year-long Golden Jubilee celebration, we can give to the people of the state, we can give to the staff and officers working in Mekhalaya Secretariat to have this facility now, that they can get medical assistance right from the office of Secretariat itself. All these years, 50 years, we do not know where will the people from Secretariat will go. They will have to decide where to go first, in which hospital to take them when they have any problem and when they need medical assistance. But from today, I'm very happy to say that people, staff in Mekhalaya Secretariat, they know the place, first of all, to come to the health clinic here in Mekhalaya Secretariat itself if they need any medical attention. So that it's very, very important, and it gives an assurance to the staff working in Mekhalaya Secretariat. They would have that confidence that yes, if we have any medical assistance, immediately there are staff, there are doctors, there are nurses whom they can care, whom they can give the service to the people. So that's why I take this as a gift, a Golden Jubilee gift to the staff of Mekhalaya Secretariat working here in Mekhalaya Secretariat, to all the officers, and let us take this clinic as our own. We want to see that this clinic will continue, will sustain, and we need to put our head together, to work together to ensure that this service that we are providing to the staff of Mekhalaya Secretariat will sustain and will continue. Yes, as of now, we have one doctor, one pharmacy, and 2 nurses. And I wish all the staff who will work here, they will dedicate their service for the betterment of the people working in Mekhalaya Secretariat. We know the fact that there are many aged staff working in Mekhalaya Secretariat. because it is a normal practice to bring back from far away officers from the remote places in the state of Meghalaya. Before they retire, they should come and work here in Secretariat or in the capital. So we understand that there may be times that aged people working in Meghalaya Secretariat, they need medical attention. And yes, not only aged staff, but everybody. We know that now there is no age bar for anybody who need medical attention. It is sad to note that there are times that people, they don't get medical attention on time, and when they reach the hospital, it's already too late. So that is very, very important. We hope that this clinic will provide us an immediate relief and immediate attention to ensure that the patient, when in need, it can be taken care and taken to the hospital that is needed to go. And it's very, very important to get a reference also from this clinic, because doctor will be there and they are the right person to refer in which hospital to go and to get at the first meeting to meet with the patients to come to know about the problem that the patient are facing. So once again, I wish everybody all the best, and I wish all the staff working here and the officers involved here to do their best. And I wish the people who will take the service from this clinic, from this health clinic, will be helpful to each and everyone. So at last, I want to declare that the health clinic in Meghalaya Secretariat has been opened today, the 1st of February 2022. Thank you.